want to start afresh. So when you get to your truck, first thing is use your seat belts, then match your clutch, match your brake, then start your truck. Check if the if is pinned down. Now pin down, you engage again, then release your handbrake, remove, then you start going. That's gear 1, 2, 3, 4, pinned down. 1, 2, 3 to 4. Then you pin up. 5, 6, 7, 7, then 8. 8 is the last in this truck. So you can see, keep going with that 8. That is the speed gear. Keep going with the 8. But if you need to slow down, you come down. You come to the middle, that's neutral. If you slow down very well and you know that gear 5 cannot carry you, you have to pin down. You pin down, you go back to 2. You use 2, then go to 3. You use 3, then go for 4. After 4, you pin up.